Okay, 72 feet. It's perfect now, maybe. So here we have to the alliance button. Where is the okay? Here is the alliance. Okay, it's not the median. So how to use align? Maybe okay. Select this one, and now maybe it's working. Okay, it's perfectly working for now. Okay, it's Danger Gaming here. So I need to edit for mu. Okay, here is the rectangle tool. So I need to ellipse tool here. Okay, so I need to create a shape here and also press a shift to create rectangle big size with. Okay, now to here in the middle. Okay, this one may be in the middle here. Okay, so now it's perfect. So now we have this my title here is up. Okay, now I will change my color here and it's dark to white for my better view. Okay, so done. It's done for now. Okay, so now I have to change this on any angle. Okay, so now I'm here. I'm of in, uh, the color of the middle. So I will declare this color and I will also the stroke here. So I'll create this one is black. Okay, here is the stroke size. I'm using here is 20. Okay, and my logo, my title is white, so background is white. That's why maybe now it's time to black. Okay, here is it is. Okay, so I have to using for my channel here Danger Gaming, so I have to use D. Okay, Danger DZ. It's mean the my channel first. Uh, okay, DG. I have to big this on. This is my channel. Okay, this one is in the middle. So I have to. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, let's go, guys. So I have to select this. No, sorry. To lock this DZ layer, and here is my Danger Gaming also. Okay, maybe now it's perfect. No, I have to few more things here to do. So I have to change this on. Select this on. Select this on. I have to effects and there's drop shadow. Here is drop shadow. No, there is no drop shadow here. Stylish. Okay, I'm not using it, so I am going to objects and create a. How is the expand? Okay, expand is here. So it's expand. No, it's not. Okay, try again. Where is the expand? Where is the expand? Going to window and searching for expand to wait. Have to find. No, here is no expand option. So where? No, I have to expand.